Hindi na ko mo-judge og mga conspiracy theories because I think apil na ko nila ron. Daghan mga theories about the existence of human beings. Kana lang sa atong topic for today. It's so weird nga sa tanang animals sa planet Earth kita ang wala ni-evolve physically. Kay kung pautukay lang, bright man sad ning mga whales and elephants, even octopus. Pero well adapted man sila to their environment. Kita kailangan pa ta mo invent, kailangan pa ta mo develop og technology. Quite frankly, di sa ta pa di ma-proud no nga kita'y kinabrightan kay tanawa ra gud ang kalibutan ron. Should we be proud of saying we are smart? Ni fail atong education system, atong evolution ni fail. Nganong ang uban flora and fauna sa earth parte mang pagka-evolve? Nganong inani man ta? We can never call ourselves apex predators. We're more like viruses. Igurata mo replicate and consume everything in our path. We're just small but numerous, very destructive. With that in mind, nakatabang magyud ta sa ecosystem sa earth? Were we just introduced here? Are we a product of alien technology? Gimerge with genes of chimpanzees, both alien and earthling. Muna ng Homo sapiens. Wala gyud ta nagsugod dere. Natay genetic material from outside of this planet. Gimerge lang og chimpanzees. Muna gyud nay rason nga nung nakasurvive ta dinhi. But our brains, tong batasan, maybe it's not from this earth. So that's one theory. Another theory is that humans and everything else are not real. We are in a simulation. So possible nga humans ta from earth, or we are aliens in a simulation, and for this particular program we are on planet Earth. Sa settings ani nga program, human atong form, and then mao ni nga to ang environment, and that we breathe oxygen, we drink water, we excrete. Mao ni ang settings for this particular simulation, and our consciousness is being uploaded complete with our sensory functions. That's why you have to question what is real. Kani imong na sense karon, are these just electrical impulses? So naatay perception nga na-produce sa atong utok, but that doesn't mean that they're real. Like sweetness, but it's not real sugar. It's an artificial sweetener. Completely different structure. Kasi ginana sad sa simulation, gitap lang ang certain parts sa atong brains to make us think that they're real. Just what if lang no nga, once a simulation ends, murag ilang i-recycle. But sa next simulation, na pang-usbon nga settings. So let's just say you'll be born in a different country, a different set of personalities, disabilities. You'll be reborn. There will be glitches sa simulation. Kuning nay mga religions nga motuog reincarnation. Nay people nga nagani remnants from previous simulations nga wala completely ma-wipe out sa ilahang consciousness. Because remember, we are just recycling consciousness. And other glitches may include deja vu. Another glitch would be hauntings, mga ghosts nga gatuo ka na kay nakitaan pero wala dito. Another theory of mine when it comes to mga ungo-ungo and hauntings like that, simulations may be in different worlds, different planets, and different dimensions. Okay, it's very simplistic to think no nga moora ni ang world nga ni exists. That is also possible to create different worlds. Why not, diba? Advance maka mo. Multiple simulations, when they play simultaneously, na ay another glitch nga mag-merge ang mga simulations. So quite possibly these two characters encounter each other in this convergence. Mo siguro ni ang mga hauntings. Gatuo ang usa nga nakita siyag ungo, ang pikas pod gatuo nga nakita siyag ungo. If mahitabo sa usa ka character, maybe mahitabo pod sa uban, maybe sa entire group, na ay mailhan nga lugar where these convergence happen. Mo invite og mga grupo kuno ay mag-ghost hunting. If kamo ang type nga faulty kaayo og mga barriers inyong simulations, kamo tanan makita gyud. Pero kung let's just say masagulan mo og usa nga medyo tarong pagkabuhat ang iyang simulation, gi-antivirus, gi-debug og maayo, then maybe siya mo'y rason nga nung wala mo nakita ang ungo. Going back, mo na siya kung nabawaan nga theories nga maybe alien ta. Ang genetics gi-merge with earthling genetics, and so ang ato ang evolution is kind of weird, not as perfect as the others. There is earth nga nagsugod yun from the primordial soup. Kita kay medyo ni-skip ta. That's why if mo check sila sa tong evolution, there's always something missing. I'm missing link, and we can never find the answer here unless they already have the answers and they're in control of our governments. So that's another conspiracy theory. And the second theory, mo na dayon to, nga simulation ta. Itong consciousness gi-upload into a simulation. And just an addition, what if, let's just say kan mga vampires, werewolves, aswang, tiyanak, and kapre, everything, santilmo, either they're aliens or they're also characters in another simulation. It's just they're in different form. They're not Homo sapiens. Sa katong mga tao nga ni-merge sila sa simulation, mo to mga na third eye ko, no. But really, I think your simulation is just faulty. So these supernatural beings could be another simulation taking on a different form and playing in a different dimension nga nagka-glitch lang sa atong systems. Siguro po ang kaning mga animals, maybe they are also mga consciousness nga gi-upload. It's just that they're taking in an animal form, which makes you think you're probably torturing someone who's just in a different form. Try not to kill. Anyway, kung mahuman na ang usa ka simulation, i-recycle na pod na. So what's your opinion on this? Nalingaw lang ko sa thought.